Hello, in this video I will be creating an app using Angular 19, and in this app I will be creating two components and I will show you how to perform interpolation, data binding and event binding. I will start by creating a folder for my app and I will create an Angular project from CLI command. Is asking me for the server side rendering. I will select no for the time being. Now my project is ready. I have opened my project on the Visual Studio Code. I will quickly check I am using the right version of Angular by checking package.json file to confirm I'm using Angular 19. I will create component folder in my app folder where all of my components will live. In this folder I have opened the terminal and I will use a CLI command to create the component. I have created the user component and it has created 4 files, which are the HTML, TS, CSS and the test file. Same way I will create second component, which will be my admin component. And I can see it has created 2 components in the component folder, which are admin and users. I will set the HTML of my component in .html file for both of the components. In my app.component.html, I will display both of my components. For displaying components in other component, I will import them into app.component.ts file. Then I will be able to render them into app.component.html file. Here you can see both of the components are displaying on my app. Now I will show you how to perform interpolation, data binding and event binding. In this component.ts file, I have declared a first name variable. If I want to display the value of this variable In paragraph, I will use interpolation by using curly brackets. If I want to set value of first name variable in input text box, then I will use data binding by using square brackets on value attribute of input box and assign first name variable to the attribute in double quotes. Another use case, if I want to do something on button click, I will use event binding. I have created a method in .ts file and I will bind this method on button click event by using round brackets.